Did you know there are over 1,200 types of pasta? Today, I'm breaking down the most popular and unique pasta shapes and the best sauces for each one. Stick around for expert tips. Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today, I'm exploring different pasta shapes, from classic spaghetti to rare Italian varieties, and pairing them with the best sauces. Let's get started. First up, let's understand pasta categories. Long pasta, like spaghetti, fettuccine, linguine, and bucatini. These are perfect for smooth, creamy, or oil-based sauces. Next, short pasta. Think penne, rigatoni, fusilli, and orecchiette. These shapes hold chunkier sauces and ingredients well. Then we have stuffed pasta, like ravioli, tortellini, and agnolotti, usually filled with cheese, meat, or vegetables, and best with light broths or butter sauces. Lastly, sheet pasta, like lasagna, pappardelle, and malfatti. These wide, flat pastas are great for layering in baked dishes. Now, let's dive into iconic pasta shapes and their best sauce pairings. Spaghetti goes best with marinara, carbonara, or garlic olive oil sauces. Fettuccine, ideal for creamy Alfredo sauce. Bucatini, with its hollow center, it's perfect for amatriciana sauce. Penne holds chunky tomato sauces and works great in baked dishes. Rigatoni pairs well with meaty ragu sauces. Fusilli, its spiral shape traps pesto or creamy sauces beautifully. Orecchiette, best with sausage and broccoli rabe. And for lasagna sheets, layer them with bechamel and bolognese. Now for some rare and unique pasta shapes, trophy. This twisted pasta is great for pesto. Cavatelli, small ridged pasta, ideal for ricotta-based sauces. Strangozzi, traditional hand-rolled pasta from Umbria. Garganelli, similar to penne but rolled, and perfect for creamy sauces. Pici, thick Tuscan spaghetti that's best with rich, meaty sauces. Now you know the best pasta shapes and their perfect sauce pairings. What's your favorite pasta dish? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert cooking tips. Want to learn more pasta techniques? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for expert Italian cooking tips.